At the Vedantikala Sattva retreat, winner of 3 world prizes including the latest 2024 APAC Award for Best Nature Resort in South Asia, we invite you to discover the deep effects of the hugging wheel. A symbol of balance, unity and love, the hugging wheel offers a unique and transformative experience that encourages you to embrace the present moment. This video uses illustrative visuals to enhance the storytelling. While they don't show real people or places, the heart of the experience remains true and genuine. Here, surrounded by nature's embrace, you are invited to step forward, open your heart and hug the wheel. As you stand here, arms wrapped around this sacred wheel, take a deep breath. Feel the connection between your heart and the wheel. This simple act of love, that of hugging, begins to melt away the barriers of the mind, allowing calmness to fill your being. Now, slowly turn the wheel clockwise as it turns in harmony with your own energy. Feel the rhythm of each turn as you synchronize with the gentle movement of the wheel. Each rotation brings you closer to a deep sense of peace and connection.
I just experienced something truly beautiful. When I hugged the wheel, I felt an immediate warmth, like I was being embraced by something much bigger than myself. And as I turned it clockwise, a deep sense of calm washed over me. It's like all the worries I was carrying just flew away. I feel so much lighter now, filled with love and peace. The energy around the wheel is so kind, it's hard to describe with words, but it's like all the noise in my head has been replaced by a peaceful calm. This is true love. I feel like the earth itself is hugging me.
As you embrace the hugging wheel, remember that this sacred act of love and connection isn't just about touching the wheel, but about touching your own heart. The wheel offers you a space to free yourself, let go, and find inner peace. In this moment, allow yourself to feel the kind energy that surrounds you, and know that with each turn, you are moving closer to your truest, calmest self. Here at the Vedantikala Sattva retreat, we invite you to embrace peace, love, and balance, one hug at a time.